Friends, open VN app link in the description. First step, you have to select the plus icon. Now select new project. Now go to videos and select main video. I will give this video link in the description. Now tap on arrow. First step, you have to mute this video. Okay. Now tap on this black portion, tap on delete. Now next, add 6 photos of yours. Tap on plus and add 6 photos. Tap on video by photo. Now select the photo and select 6 photos. Then these are the 6 photos. Now select the first photo and arrange in the center. Okay, now select next photo. Okay, it is perfect. Now arrange next photo, it is also perfect. Now select next photo, it is perfect. Arrange this photo a little bit, little right. Okay, everything is perfect. Now I have to go to music and select the music. Tap on music, tap on tick. Now next, scroll to the left and select the first photo. And you have to keep this photo 0.77 seconds. You can see on seconds 0.77. Now select the second photo and you have to keep 0.56. Now select the third photo and keep 1.70. Okay, now select fourth 0.70. Okay, select next 0.56. Now select last photo 1.55. Perfect. Now I have to go to first photo and select this plus icon and you can select zoom out. Now tap on tick. Now select next place and you can select zoom in. Now tap on tick. Select next place, select zoom out. Alternately you have to select for the best output. Zoom in, tap on tick. Zoom out, tick. Zoom in, tick. Okay, it is perfect. And you have to select this third photo, select the effects and you can view this black effect. Now tap on tick and go to last photo, select effects, you can view this white. Now tap on tick. Now you have to play. So this is the final output and the music link in the description. You can go and download their app link in the description. Now tap on